I will be showing you how to use multiple time frame analysis for better accuracy in forex trading. Multiple time frame analysis helps you see the market from a big picture perspective down to the entry level details. It greatly improves accuracy because you avoid trading blindly on a single time frame. Why multiple time frame analysis matters? Number one is that a trend on a higher time frame controls the market direction. A trend on a lower time frame shows the best points to enter. It prevents you from entering counter trend trades by mistake. It filters out fake signals, especially in forex and crypto where price moves very fast. The three time frame strategy is highly recommended. The three time frames and the the time frames to use are: number one, higher time frame that shows you the trend direction. So in talking about the higher time frame, I use weekly and daily and sometimes 4 hours. Basically, I base my analysis on weekly, so I do not trade just a day, but that weekly analysis controls what happens day to day and week to week. Now, I also you can also trade middle term frame, the setup confirmation. That is what this is used for, and that is 1 hour. Then you can also trade lower time frame, which is an entry trigger. You have the 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Usually, I don't use these lower time frames. I use the daily, the weekly, and the 4 hours. Now, let me show you step by step method on how to trade using the different time frames. Step number one is to identify trend on the higher time frame. Look for higher highs and higher lows, that is uptrend. Then look for lower highs and lower lows, that is downtrend. Then look for sideways structure, that is a range. Use simple tools like trend lines, moving averages. You can use a 50 or 200 EMA. Then you can also use support and resistance. And I use support and resistance a lot. I also look for pin bar and others. The goal here is only that you only take trades in the direction of the higher time frame trend. Then step number two, move to the middle time frame for structure. On the 1 hour, confirm correction, pull back into key areas. Then identify chart patterns, flags, wedges, double tops and double bottoms. All these I've taught you already on this channel. You can check them out. Then also look for price to reach premium or discount levels depending on trend. This is where your setup begins to form. Then step number three is to drop to the lower time frame for entry. On 15 minutes or 5 minutes, enter using breakout, retest or candlestick confirmation. These are what you should look for in this case. Look for break of structure. Look for retest of support and resistance. So when it retests support and resistance, it is either going to continue or is going to reverse at the point of support or resistance. So you wait for it either to break or to continue. Now, you also look for engulfing candles. Apart from this, you can look for rejection wicks. The goal here is to enter with small stop loss and high risk to reward ratio. Step number four, example of a buy trade using multiple time frame analysis. In the 4 hours time frame, market is in a clear uptrend. Only look for buys. Then in the 1 hour, price pulls back into a support zone or a 50 EMA area. So what you do in this case is you look at the 15 minutes or 5 minutes, then you wait for a breakout above minor resistance, then retest the breakout level, then enter on bullish candlestick confirmation. Then your stop loss is placed below the lower time frame structure. Then your target is the previous 1 hour or 4 hour swing high, or in some cases swing low. Now let's talk about the mistakes to avoid in multiple time frame analysis. You should avoid using time frames that are too close, like using 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. That will not help you. So you have to look at weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and so on and so forth. Then another mistake is entering on lower time frame without higher time frame direction. Basically, since I've learned how to use a higher time frame and money management are become profitable. Then trading against major market structure, that is not going to help you in the long run, except the market reverses. Then avoid the mistake of looking for entries in the middle of the trend. Avoid the no man's zone and only go with the trend. Then best time frame combinations based on your trading style. If your trading style is scalping, then you should be using 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. If your trading style is you're a day trader, then you should be using 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. If you're a swing trader like myself, then you should use daily, 4 hours, and 1 hour. Now, if you're a crypto swing trader, then you should use daily, 4 hours, and also 1 hour. Now let me show you indicators that work great with multiple time frame analysis. Number one indicator is the exponential moving averages at 20, 50, or 200. The RSI also works. RSI help you to see the overbought and the oversold region. The EMA help you to see the point of trend reversal so that you can quickly take advantage of it. Then MACD help you also to see when the trend is reversing and is for momentum charge. Then the volume help you to see for breakout confirmation. Usually before a breakout, there's consolidation in the market. As consolidation, the Bollinger Band or the market is silent, but it's going to break out either to the upside or to the downside. So this volume help you to see what is likely to happen next. Now let's talk about the multiple time frame trading formula. This is short but powerful. Higher time frame is help you to define the trend. Medium time frame help you to locate the setup. Then lower time frame help you to execute your entry. This formula eliminates noise and increases accuracy dramatically. If you want, I can help you to explain more and more on this. If you want any question you want to ask me, you can ask me and I am going to respond to you in my next video. My name is Dr. Titun and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. And I make a boast to say that if you keep coming on this channel for 6 months, watching one of my videos, just one per day for 6 months and taking action on them, your life is going to change. And I believe that you are on this channel for a purpose. I teach you basically how to make money both online and offline on this channel. And currently, I've been taking in the last couple of weeks, I've been daily bringing you content on how to trade the Forex. And we have started from the beginner level and now we are moving on to the advanced level. So please, you can go back to those videos where I talk about the Forex trading tips and take each of the video one per day and you are going to know everything you need to know about Forex. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping over the side for my channel is the next one you need to watch. Please subscribe, like, share, keep coming back to this channel for more. I'll see you in the next one. I also do Forex account management. If you want me to manage your Forex account for you, contact me and we can get to talk. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.